Hello everyone. Welcome to another lecture of Haryana GK. We were discussing about the history of Haryana. In the previous part, we discussed about the historical sources of Haryana. Today, we'll start from the ancient history of Haryana, where we left. So we'll dividing ancient history in three parts, which is prehistoric, proto-historic, and historic period. Starting with the prehistoric part. The period which has no written evidences is known as prehistoric period, where we don't have any written evidences, and from other sources we find a way to know about the history. So this period was divided into three different periods, that is Paleolithic age, Neolithic age, and Chalcolithic age. Paleolithic age. Stone tools of this period have been found in Pinjore, Suketri, Ahia, Chandigarh, Firozpur, Kotla, and Sohan Valley. These are made of small, flat, and rounded stones. The Neolithic age. In this period, human had started the practice of agriculture. The evidences of the agriculture have been found from Siswal. Thus, the civilization is also named Siswal civilization. Chalcolithic age. Copper tools of this time have been found in some parts of Rohtak and Hisar districts of Haryana. So we're keeping this confined to the Haryana state only. We know that we have discussed about whole of India, about the Paleolithic age and Neolithic. We are keeping it just confined to the Haryana state. Next is the proto-historic period. It was the age before historical period, where the script and letters were known to the people of the time, but we could not read it. We could not decipher what was written by the people of that time. It includes Siswal culture, Hakra culture, and Indus Valley civilization. Siswal culture. It was a Chalcolithic culture dating around 3800 BC. It is also known as Sothi Siswal culture. Important places related to Siswal culture are as follows. These are the districts and some of the cities where we can see Siswal culture. Hisar, Sirsa, Fatehabad, Bhiwani, Dadri, Rewari, Gurugram, Kaithal. So you can just go through the cities of these districts. Next is Hakra culture. We did Siswal culture earlier, and now is Hakra culture. The period of Hakra culture in Haryana is considered before the period of Harappan civilization, dating between 3300 to 2800 BC. This basically represents the development of farming community, thus is known as early farmers culture. The evidences of this culture have been found in the drainage area of Ghaggar Hakra river, and thus is known as Hakra culture because it was present in the Ghaggar Hakra river area. Kunal in Fatehabad district is the first excavated site from where the evidences of Hakra culture were found. Next is the Indus Valley civilization. We all know about this. Some important sites from Haryana are Banavali, Rakhigadi. We'll discuss about Banavali first. Banavali is an important site of Indus Valley civilization, which is located in the ancient river valley of Saraswati in Fatehabad district. A striking animal posture has been found in this place, which has the body of lion and horns of bull. Other evidences of this period have been found in this place, like clay toy, flow, signs of wheels of bullock cart, evidences of barley, 2 terracotta sculptures of Matra Devi. The presence of plough, bullock cart, barley shows that agriculture was prevalent in this region. Rakhigadi is located on the right bank of Rigvedic Trishtavati river in the Narnaud block in Hisar district. It is an important center of Siswal culture and is the largest Indus Valley civilization site in India and second largest in whole after Mohenjo-daro, which is present in Punjab, Pakistan. Other important IVC sites of Haryana are Mitathal, present in Bhiwani district, Madina in Rohtak district, Bhagwanpura is located in Kurukshetra district, and this site is notable for showing an overlap between the Harappan period and grey ware culture of Vedic age, and thus can be considered as a junction of two great civilizations in India. We can see the presence of both the cultures here. Farman Khas, also known as Dakshakheda, is located in Rohtak district and the largest burial site of civilization, with 65 burials were found here. Farman Khas in Rohtak district. We have done prehistoric and protohistoric. Now is the historical period, starting with the Vedic period. Rig Vedic period, which was between 1500 to 100 BC, 1000 BC, sorry, 1500 to 1000 BC. Vedic civilization made its beginning along the river Saraswati in the region of modern-day Haryana and Punjab. The Puru clan was established after the name of Puru, the son of King Yayati, and its capital was Hastinapur. Dushyant was one of the king of Puru clan lineage, and his descendant was Bharata, after whom India got its name Bharat. Alright, note that. A battle between Puru ruler Sudas and 10 tribal kingdoms on the bank of Purushani river took place, which is known as Battle of 10 Kings. Purushani river is today's Ravi. So ancient name of Ravi was Purushani. Later Vedic period, ranging from 1000 to 600 BC. Kuru clan was established by King Kuru. Its capital was Indraprasth. King Kuru defeated the Panchals and captured Saraswati region and renamed it as Kuru Jangal. It was later renamed as Kurukshetra. So in Kurukshetra region, we could find Kuru clan. In the same period, Mahabharata war took place between Kauravas and Pandavas. Next is the Mahajanpad period. In the later Vedic period, tribal states were replaced by territorial states, and they were developed in the 6th century BC. Thus, many big states came into existence. Meerut, Delhi, Thanesar were part of Kuru Mahajanpad, and its capital was Hastinapur during Mahabharata period. So we only discussed here about the Kuru Mahajanpad.